Next in this video, I'm gonna talk about the relations, okay, the most important relations in the SolidWorks. But before that, let me show you how to do the fillet. Okay, if we have a corner and this edge I want it to be rounded, so you can use the fillet or the chamfer. So the fillet for rounded, the chamfer is if you have just an angled edge. So sketch fillet, click on the point and you can choose the radius here. You can make it 10, 20, the radius, okay, so the edge is rounded here by fillet, okay. Or you can choose the sketch chamfer, okay. You can make it equal distance, which means that it will be chamfered with 20 millimeters, 20 millimeters, or you can make it not equal, so in the x-axis 10 millimeters and in the y-axis 20 millimeters, or the opposite. For example, you can make the x-axis 20 millimeter and the height 20 here 20 millimeters and the y-axis 10 millimeter. So let's do it like this, okay. So here's the chamfer 20, 10, or you can make it equal distance like this, okay. You can make it equal distance. Let's do it again. Chamfer, click on the point, make it equal distance. So if you see, if you click here, check, it will be 20 and 20, okay. 20 and 20 equal distance, okay. So this is the chamfer and the fillet as we see, okay. Now let's go to the relations. The obvious relation, you can make this line vertical or horizontal. If you right click on this line, you can choose here. Either you want to make it vertical or you want to make it horizontal, okay. So you have the option here. Next we have this relation. Which one? Okay, yes. We have the tangent relation. Suppose that I have this line and I want it to be tangent, okay. Tangent means that the line is intersected with this circle in just one point, If you made the line like this, okay, it will be intersected in 2 points, so it's not tangent now, okay. I want it to be tangent. How? Okay, press on control, keep pressing on control, click on this line, and while we are pressing on control on your keyboard, click also on this circle, so he make the relation here. Or you can choose here, add relation. So in the keyboard, just keep pressing on the control, then click on this line and this circle, and the SolidWorks would give you the relation. Now we are going to choose tangent, so click on tangent. You see that this line is intersected with this circle in just 1 point, okay. The next one, we want, just suppose that I don't need this line, I just need the other line here. So I want to cut this line. How? By using the trim. If you click on trim, and you have to choose the last one, okay. Don't only use the last one, the trim to closest, So click here. So what's the line that you don't need? This one or this one? No, I just remove this one. So click this on this line, okay, and this is the line, and it's tangent also with this circle. So we have known now how to make the relation tangent and how to cut the lines that we don't need by using trim, and you have to use trim to closest, okay. Next, what else we have? We know how to make it a horizontal line or a vertical line, okay. Now we have also, suppose we have this circle and I want it to be concentric with this center. So again, press on control, click on this circle and click on this origin point and choose concentric. So the center will be the same for each of these circles, okay. The 2 circles have only one center point, okay. If we click also on this circle and this point, you can see also there is another relation called coincident. So concentric means they have the same center. Coincident means, if you just watch what happens. Okay, we clicked here, so you can see that the circle is touched with the origin point. Okay, so this is coincident. Coincident means that this object is touched with this point. Okay, so these are another two relations. Finally, we have a collinear relation and parallel relation. So collinear relation means that this line and this line are continued, okay, with the same angle. They have the same angle. They are on the same line or in the same way. So how can we do that? Press on Control, click this line, and choose collinear. Collinear means that they have the same line, the same angle. Okay, so check here. So this is the collinear, means that they are in the same way. Okay, with the same angle also. Now how can we use parallel? So click on this line, and choose parallel. Means that these lines are parallel. So click here, parallel. Okay, then check. So these lines are parallel. You can see the green relation means that they are parallel. This line and this line, you can see that the green sign means that they are collinear. So we have learned now how to see how to do collinear relation, how to use parallel relation, vertical relation, horizontal relation, coincident relation, concentric relation, and all these kinds of relations, tangent relation also. So these are the most common relations in the SolidWorks, and you have to know how to use them because they are repeatedly used in the SolidWorks. And thank you very much.